Okay, in order to simplify this algebraic fraction, I need to factorize the top and the bottom. So first of all, I'm going to factorize the top. I can see that there's a common factor there, which is x. So I'm going to take out that common factor. What do I multiply x by to get x squared? Well, that's obviously x. And then what do I multiply x by to get 6x? Well, that must be that. Okay, the second expression here, x squared minus 36, you should recognize that as the difference of two squares. Here's another example over here. If you've got something like x squared minus 100, if both of these terms are the square of something, now in this case, x is squared to get x squared and 10 is squared to get 100, then we factorize that in the same way every time. X at the beginning of each bracket, in this case the square root of 100 is 10, so that goes at the end of each bracket on the right, and then we've got a plus in one and a minus in the other. The reason being that if you remove the brackets here, you get x squared, and then you get plus 10x, and you also get minus 10x from the outer terms, and they will always cancel each other out, and then plus 10 times minus 10 is minus 100. So for this one, we've got x squared minus 36. Square root of x squared is just x. You square 6 to get 36, so we're going to have 6 there and 6 there. One bracket plus, one bracket minus. And now I can see that as these are all multiplied together, I've got a multiplication sign there, multiplication sign there, I can cancel. In other words, I can divide the top and the bottom by x plus 6. And I'm left with, on the top, I should write 1 there and 1 there, x times 1, which is just x, and on the bottom 1 times this bracket, which is just this bracket. So the final answer is x over x minus 6.